Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the phone off and keep it off because electronics short when powered. Once done, eject the SIM tray and remove any case to let moisture escape. You should blot surface water with lint-free cloths. Do not press connectors. Why? Stopping current flow reduces corrosion risk and prevents immediate short circuits. Make sure to work on a clean, dry table with a few silica packets or rice nearby to passively draw humidity while you prepare tools for the next disassembly steps. You now proceed to open the device using the right drivers, keeping screws organized because the Truedepth area uses tiny, varied fasteners. Once exposed, inspect the front camera assembly for corrosion or mineral deposits. Clean with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol on cotton swabs to dissolve residue. Work gently on flex cables and connector pins. Pull connectors straight out to avoid tearing. After cleaning, use a low-heat hair dryer at arm's length or a hot plate set low to evaporate alcohol and moisture. This prevents trapped liquid that would otherwise cause later faults. You finish by reassembling carefully, making sure every connector clicks into place and screws go back where they belong. Improper seating causes intermittent faults. After reassembly, let the device sit 24 to 48 hours to ensure all moisture has evaporated. Then power on and run camera and Face ID tests in settings to confirm functionality. If Face ID remains unreliable, troubleshoot the sensor ribbon and connectors again. If corrosion persists or the module is damaged, replace the Truedepth module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.